Alright guys, welcome to the channel, and today we couldn't make it look good, this thing. We're heading up to the ImportAlliance car show and I couldn't finish it. I tried so hard but I couldn't. I've been pretty busy. It looks so ghetto. Poor thing. And here we are. This is a really nice place. I've never been here before, but I think this is gonna be good. Look at them. Where are they going now? I don't know. They probably got tired of waiting to get in and they just decided to leave now. This is how big the line is. It's so crazy to get in. And also it's really hot today. It's really hot. I'm not quite sure how long it's gonna take us to get in, but look at this, guys, right here. So nice. Nice spoiler, dude. Yeah, they are ready for this, definitely. I never expect it's gonna be like this big. There's two guys right here, they're ready to race. This Ford Focus right here, the SD, damn, has a really nice turbo floater. I really like how that sounds. Do you guys hear that? Do you guys hear that? That's what I was talking about. Now you know. And check this out. We just find another Nissan 300 right there. That one is really clean, and also it has a LA swap on it. I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna have the time to meet the guy and also talk a little bit about his LA swap, but take a look how clean this thing is. Damn, this thing is so clean. This thing is so clean. I really like it. Damn. Hopefully I can have a closer look inside on the parking lot. It's almost about 11 o'clock already, and I'm still waiting to get in. Okay guys, let me interrupt this video right here. Let me tell you something about this guy. He drove 3 hours on his way here, and then he had to drive another 3 hours way back. This guy right here, he really loved to drive his Z, because when he had to take the dog for a walk, he just take him out for a ride instead. Yeah. I know this is unfinished, but I'm glad I brought it. And that's nice right there. Nah. No, it's not a Honda. Okay, after almost 2 hours being waiting outside in the gate, we finally made it. Here we are, but sadly we don't have enough time to walk around. But this guy right here, I always find him on the car meet. Finally, I can see his engine now. And check this out. This thing's so clean, man. Damn. How long have you been working on it?
I've had it like 6.5 years.
6.5 years? Oh, really? Oh, damn. You had it for a while, then.
Yeah, dude, I'm nowhere near done either. I got like a million other things I want to do.
Yeah, I know, right?
I need to do an 8.8 rear end to keep going dips and transmission.
Oh, yeah. How many horsepower does it make?
Around 580-ish.
580?
Yeah. Yeah, it's on E85, about 21 pounds on the 6266.
Damn, that thing is quick, though.
It rips, dude. It don't weigh nothing, so
Yeah.
it's fun because people don't really see it coming.
I know. I mean, like, it's really hard to just play something like that. Yeah.
Like, oh, look at this cute little convertible. You lay
Yeah.
it, it slaps out a big old flame and just blows by.
Damn.
Perfect.